If your favorite bird is the chakor, you're in for a treat. Let's explore why this bird is Pakistan's pride. The chakor, also known as the Chukar Partridge, is a bird of beauty and grace. With its striking red beak and legs, and a unique V shape around its neck, it's no wonder it's a national symbol. Found in the rugged hills and rocky terrains, the chakor is a master of camouflage and survival. But here's the fun part. There's a popular legend that the chakor is in love with the moon. It's said to gaze at it all night long, mesmerized by its beauty. This story adds a touch of magic to its already fascinating nature. So next time you spot a chakor, remember you're looking at a symbol of pride, beauty, and a bit of moonlit romance.